Hi, Giselle Bing Ayala. This is the last late mini vlog. Finally, nakaka-catch up na ako sa real-time mini vlog. Anyways, if you're wondering what I'm doing here, I'm making kubos kasi nag-request ang aking pamilya sa Pilipinas. Kaya ayan, gumagawa ako ng kubos. Hindi ko na siya na-picturean kasi kada maluluto, kakainin na talaga agad. Ganun kasarap. Charing. So this is my own recipe. Kung gusto nyo matuto, comment down below. Kala mo talaga. So ito yung time na sa midnight flight ko na. Kaya pinagluto ko sila ng kubos. Nagluto rin ako ng kaldereta. And after that, I took a bath. Tapos pumunta kami ni Fabe sa cemetery para magtirik ng kandila sa aking grandparents. As I usually do kapag dumadating at umaalis ako. Then after that, kinuha uli namin si Snappy. Siyempre, dinala sa bahay. Banding muna with my baby. Ewan ko ba't gigil-gigil si Siraya. Lintik sa bunutan eh. Hindi na pinatawad. But yeah, it was so good. I really enjoyed my time. I kind of feel bittersweet to be honest. Parang nasanay na akong inaalagaan si Sinaya. It's so hard to say goodbye to her. Sorry sa boses ko. Nakahiga kasi ako. I just woke up from a nap. Napagod talaga ako today, be. So just a quick story. 13th of August pa ako dumating dito sa Abu Dhabi. And Monday ngayon. First day going back to school. Grabe, nakakapagod. Kaya tinatapos ko nang ma-upload talaga lahat ng pending videos ko para matapos na. Another thing, hindi rin ako nakapag-vlog nung mismong flight ko. Kasi I was traveling alone. So, syempre, in-enjoy ko lang yung aking me time. Hindi talaga ako nag-phone, as in. And I'm so proud of myself for doing that. And this is me, Fabe and Snappy. Oh my God, I miss them so much. Oh my God. But yeah, I can't wait for my next summer vacation. But let's see kung uuwi ako ulit. Yun lang, tutulog na ako ulit. Thanks so much for watching. Alright, bye.